Forensic science is grounded in key principles that guide investigators in solving crimes. These principles include individuality, exchange, progressive change, comparison, analysis, probability, and circumstantial facts. Each plays a crucial role in uncovering the truth through scientific methods. Forensic science relies on the law of individuality, which states that every object possesses unique characteristics. This principle is vital for techniques like fingerprint analysis, which helps to identify individuals accurately. DNA profiling further supports this by providing precise genetic identification, making these tools essential in solving crimes and mysteries. In forensic science, the principle of exchange is pivotal. Known as Locard's exchange principle, it asserts that every contact leaves a trace. This principle enables forensic experts to connect suspects or objects to crime scenes through exchange materials. By analyzing these traces, investigators can piece together the narrative of a crime, making the unseen seen. In forensic science, Locard's exchange principle is crucial. It states that every contact leaves a trace, helping link suspects to crime scenes. Complementing this, the law of progressive change emphasizes that all objects and events evolve over time. This understanding aids in analyzing evidence, like decay or environmental shifts, crucial for reconstructing crime narratives. In forensic science, the principle of comparison is key. It involves comparing evidence, such as fingerprints or bullet casings, to identify similarities or differences, crucial for linking suspects to crime scenes. Equally important is the principle of analysis, which focuses on the scientific examination of evidence. This ensures conclusions are accurate, reliable, and objective, forming the backbone of credible forensic investigations. Together, these principles enhance our understanding and application of forensic science. In forensic science, the principle of analysis emphasizes the meticulous examination of evidence using scientific methods. This approach ensures that conclusions are accurate, reliable, and objective. Additionally, the law of probability aids in evaluating how likely an event or piece of evidence is connected to a crime. Together, these principles are crucial in determining a suspect's involvement, enhancing the precision and credibility of forensic investigations. In forensic science, the law of probability helps assess the likelihood of a crime link, crucial for evaluating suspect involvement. Meanwhile, the law of circumstantial facts highlights that evidence often suggests rather than proves, building a compelling case when pieced together. These principles work hand in hand to enhance the accuracy and credibility of forensic investigations, ensuring that each piece of evidence contributes meaningfully to the overall case narrative.